Ashwathi, can you hear me properly?
Excuse me, sir, just 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Is the screen visible to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we started the
Or
first
also I
chapter, that
could
is.
see, I just asked 1 minute.
Okay.
Last class we did factors, what are numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers,
Yeah, that's what we
and
did.
yeah, and composite numbers.
Yeah. Do you have any confusion in what we discussed in our previous class?
No.
Okay, very good. So we are good to move ahead. So our first chapter is numbers. Okay, knowing our numbers. That is the first chapter.
Chapter,
Okay.
yeah.
So far we talked about the place values we assign to the number. We also discussed few basic things like the prime and composite numbers. Okay. And how we can compare two numbers and how we write the least and the largest number. Okay. Let's say if I were to convert two digit, if I have the two-digit largest number, okay, and I need to get three-digit smallest number, what will I do?
Plus 1, that gives us 100, and that is the
Plus one.
smallest, smallest 3-digit number.
Exactly, like 99 plus 1, that will give you 100. So 100 is
100,
the smallest three-digit number.
3-digit.
Exactly, very good. Okay, so today we are going to study about the place values of number. Okay, the place values of the number. Okay, so to assign place values of number, we have developed two systems. Do you know what are they?
Sir, can you repeat?
To assign place values of number, we have developed two systems. One we call as the Indian,
International system and Indian system.
exactly, Indian and international system. Okay, so the Indian numeral system, it is a writing system adapted in India for expressing numbers. Okay, so what is it? It is basically a mathematical notation for representing numbers. Okay,
Yes.
like here in the
So can
table
I
you
tell
can
the
see.
places?
Yeah, very good. You can tell that.
Okay, one's place has that is hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. I'm telling from back. That's all. Okay,
Okay,
and
ones,
then
tens, hundreds.
yeah, and then there is hundreds. Sorry, tens place that has two place values, two place.
Okay,
10,000, 1,000 and 10,000.
thousand and
10,000.
10,000. Very good.
And
And
then
then,
we have lakhs. That
yeah,
are
and we
two.
have
There are
lakhs.
two. So lakh and 10 lakhs. And then
Very
crore
good. That's
and
six,
10,
10
10
lakhs.
crore.
Then crore and
10 crore.
10 crore. Okay, so your fundamentals are very clear. Very good. So if I give you a number, let's say I write a number here, 9586432. You can notice that I haven't written down the commas. I haven't
Yeah.
separated the numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have
So
to, should, yeah.
can you pronounce its name? What do we call this number? In as per Indian
Okay.
numeral system.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. 95 lakhs 86,432, and the
Very
commas
good.
are between 6 and 4 we have to put a comma, and then
Okay.
between 5 and 8 one more comma. That's how I read it.
Exactly. That's how we assign commas, or that's how we separate the numbers as per Indian numeral system. What we basically do, we break like
Yeah,
this:
after
3, then
before
2,
three
then 2.
digits we put a comma, and then after
Uh,
2 digits we put a comma. If there are how many
exactly,
digits are there, we just start putting commas.
exactly. First, we write the commas from the right side after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits, and remaining we leave it as it is. Okay, so that is the Indian number system. Okay, so which I was going to discuss that how we use the separators. Okay, it is according to the rule of 3 is to 2 is to
Sir,
2.
one more thing, I have some question. In
Yeah, sure.
the place in the sorry, in the Indian system, if they put more than wait,
Yeah.
if they put more than 9 digit number, how will do that?
Okay, then you will have to refer to the international system because
Oh,
here you are having only up to 9 places: one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 digits, up to 9 digits only.
yeah.
Okay, more than that, you will need millions and billions that you will get to see in the international numeral system. Okay,
Okay. Thanks.
okay. So we just discussed how to represent a number in the numeral system, like ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Broadly, in four values, these four values are assigned to them. Okay. Either it could be ones, tens, hundred, either it could be thousand or 10,000, lakh or 10 lakh, or crore or 10 crore. Okay. When we will move ahead to international system, two more names will be added here. One will be millions and the other will be billion, which you can see here. Okay.
For us, our teacher just told till million.
Okay, till million. No,
Okay.
you have to add billion as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
For us,
Number
how
of
they
digits
did
here
means
is up to three.
till million only they did, and then billion our teacher didn't tell us.
Okay, no, but as per the international numeral system, as per the Indian numeral system, there are a total number of digits is only 9. While in the international numeral system, total number of digits is 12. Okay, so let's understand the difference between the two. Okay, so the main and obvious difference, which upon general observation you can tell that this number has been named according to Indian national system and this has been named as per international numeral system. So if you just look at the placement of the separators, where the separators have been placed, you will get to understand it. Like in the Indian number system, what happens? Separators are placed as per the rule of 3 is to 2,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, but in
And
international system, how then?
but in the international system, the rule is 3 is to
Three,
3.
three. Yeah, that will. You
That
mean
is the
that?
rule for international number system. Yeah. Let's suppose I have a number like 5, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 2.
Yeah, I
So
understand.
here,
I know this.
this is as per the international numeral system. This is as per the international number system.
Why? Because
Okay,
there after 3 digits there's a comma for after 3 digits.
exactly. Exactly. Comma has been put after 3 digits from the right side. Okay, so that is the obvious difference. What another difference you can notice? That the nomenclature of different place values. Nomenclature. Nomenclature simply means naming. Okay. In Indian numeral system, we call number according to different nomenclature, while as per the international numeral system, we call number as per the different naming system. Like if you see the international numeral system, which is used worldwide, we count numbers in terms of ones, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and billions. You see this?
Yeah, for this is only for international system.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh,
Okay. So when we are using these terms while counting a number, then we are referring to the international numeral system. So here's a table I have taken for you. Like
Sir,
you notice
wait.
that,
Yeah, yeah, good.
yeah,
But
this one.
sir, in the app there are more you put. Just slide up.
Yeah.
In there is ones, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000 and 100,000 should not be there, right? 10,000 and 100,000. In
No,
the table also.
100,000 is there.
No,
No,
those
it
will
is
come
in the
in the
table.
row of thousand only, right?
So if you notice, look, if you see the Indian numeral system, this table
Okay.
here in this row, 1,000 and up to 10,000 has been only taken. Okay, we haven't taken 100,000. 100,000,
Okay. You
we
see,
haven't considered that.
okay,
But here
that
you will
you,
notice that we have taken 100,000 also. Okay, Swati.
that, yeah.
Yeah. So 100,000. After then, in the million section, you will see millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions.
So
Okay.
100, yeah, 100 millions also should come, right?
Yeah. As per the international system, if you get a number which are having how many zeros? Nine zeros. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Or simply, if there's a number which consists of nine digits, then you will call it in terms of 100 millions. For example, let's take an example. Okay. 738456221. What do you call it? What you will call this number as per the
Sir,
international
can
numeral
you
system?
write a little to, yeah, okay. I can't see. Now I can see.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now I can see. We have to put in between of 6 and 2 comma,
Okay. Very good.
and in between of 8 and 4 comma.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it
Now pronounce
become,
this number.
so it is in millions place. The 738,000,000 for 456,221.
Exactly. Exactly. Very good. And now, if I ask you to pronounce this number as per the Indian numeral system, how will you do that?
You have to erase the commas. So 1, 2, 3 comma means between 6 and 2 comma will come again, and
In between
between,
6 and 2.
and
Yeah.
then 4 and 5 comma,
Yeah.
and
And
7
then
and 3 comma in
and then
between.
7 and 3 common.
In
Okay.
middle. So this will be 1 minute. 1,000. No, 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 not that.
Look, you
Three,
have done
three
a mistake.
and 3 and 8. I missed that.
Exactly. That's what I was going to find out.
Okay.
Okay.
70, so it will be 100, wait, ones, tens. Sir, how
Okay.
will it be? It's extra, right?
Yeah, no, it's not extra. You see, let's count the place value as per the Indian national system, Indian numeral system. Let's count the digits as per the Indian numeral system. This is ones, yeah.
Yeah,
This is tens.
yeah,
This is hundred.
hundreds,
This is thousand.
thousand,
Okay, ones, tens,
10,000,
hundred, thousand. Then,
then
what?
crore. Oh, okay, okay. So then crore, there's lakhs, and then crore.
Yeah, exactly.
So 73 crore,
Yeah.
84 lakhs,
Okay.
56,221.
Very good. 6,221. Okay, that's how we will name it as per the international naming system. And
Yeah.
we also discuss how we will name this as per the international naming system as well. Okay.
Why? Because
I
I
hope
got
that
confused in
yeah.
the international system. Why? Because our teacher put three, like in the table we did, and then she put three only till million. That's why I thought three are there
No,
for
it's okay.
Indian answer.
No issue. No issue. The more and more questions you will solve, more confusions will be cleared. Okay. Now let's take a look at the differences by the help of this table. Okay. So in this The difference between the Indian and international numeral system have been highlighted. Okay. So as per the international numeral system, read this into how many groups we have divided, into how many
Nine
periods we
pl
have divided.
what?
Yeah, read this paragraph.
Yeah. 9 places are grouped into 4 periods: 1,000, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores.
Okay, like this. This is the ones, this is the thousand, this is the lakhs, this is the crore. Okay. Again, if we take a look at this like this, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores.
Lakhs.
Again, one has been divided into ones, tens, and hundred. Then thousand is divided into thousand, then 10,000. Right?
10,000. And then lakhs, 10 lakhs. Same thing goes
Ex-
for crores also.
Exactly. Okay. Now
But we
read
just have to
this.
write crore and then 10 crore.
Yeah.
Every time till from 1,000 to crore, the 10 is common.
Yeah. Read this one. International numeral system.
Name, sorry, 9 places are grouped into 3 periods. Once, ones, hundreds, and millions.
No, ones, thousands,
So,
millions. We can actually
million.
add one more here. Okay. Nowadays we
Then
can
it will
add
be
one more here.
12.
Yeah. Then it will be 12. We can add billion here as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, if you don't add billion, is that a problem? Like,
No, we don't have the we don't have problem. Okay. Like we have developed two system. Like for Indian, we just talked about the Indian numeral system, and internationally that is used worldwide. We have international numeral system. Okay. In this, we have divided the numbers like this into ones, then thousand, then millions and billions. Okay. The number of digits it can exceed after 9. Okay. You see, the number of digits are not going to be limited. It can be more than 12 as well. Okay. So to assign names for bigger numbers also, we have got rule. So after million, we call billions. Okay. Okay. So one
place
more
where,
difference between so the one more difference you will find between the two is that in Indian numeral system, you will not find millions and billions.
yeah.
Okay. So lakhs and crores are used
But
in the
there
Indian
will
numeral
be
system.
lakhs and crores. Um,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That will it will be lakhs. It will be lakhs, then 10 lakhs. Okay. You know 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay. Then 10 million is equal to how much?
1 lakh.
No, 10 million is equal to 10
One,
million equals
okay,
to
10
1
lakh.
crore.
10.
No, no, no.
Oh.
10 million equals
But
to 1
how
crore.
is that? It will be 10 lakh only, right?
No, look, you see. Let's write the number. Let me just run the off. Just a minute. Okay. Now it's perfect. Okay. Ones, this is one. Tens, that is 1 with 1 0. Right.
Yeah.
Then 100 will have
100.
2 zeros. Right. Then
Mm,
1000
1,000.
will have 3 zeros.
Uh,
Right. Then what about
10,000.
there will be 10,000? It will be having 4 zeros. Right. Then after
Yeah.
10,000 comes lakh. It will be having how many zeros? 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then 10 lakh, that will be 6 zeros.
1 with 6 zeros. Then we will have 1
Crore.
million. No,
Crore.
after 10 lakhs, we will be have 1 million.
Sir,
Okay.
crore.
Yeah.
It's crore, right?
Yeah, it's crore, but 10 lakhs is called 1 million. Okay. So 1 million will also be having the same number of zeros.
Hmm.
Okay.
Let
So
me understand.
10 lakhs is also called 1 million. Look, I'm saying that 10 lakh is also called 1 million. Okay. So if
How
someone
will
says
we
I have
get
a mil,
10 lakh? How will we get to 1 million like that?
no, look. This is 1 lakh, right? This is 1 lakh. This
Yeah.
is 10 lakh. So it's just a terminology that we call 10 lakh 1 million. Okay. Like if I say you 10 hundreds is equal to what? 10 hundreds equals to
10
Ashwathi,
hundreds is equals to uh,
10 hundreds, 10 into hundreds. That gives you 1,000, right?
so it'll be
10 multiplied,
10,000. No, so really 1,000. Only 1,000.
it will be 1,000. Okay. So 10 hundred can be called 1,000. For convenience, we can just call it 1,000, right?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
no, 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 no.
Why not? I'm saying, look at this. This 10 hundreds, 10 hundreds, 10 hundreds, 10 multiplied hundreds will give you 1,000 rupees. Okay. Let me rewrite this for you. 10 hundreds. What does it mean? 10 times 100, right?
Yeah.
That will give you what? 1,000.
1,000.
So this is simply 1,000. Okay, let's solve one more. You will understand. Okay, 10,000. What does it mean? 10 multiplied 1,000.
1,000.
What does
That
it give
will
you?
give us just 1 minute. Four zeros plus one on the
Yeah.
front. On the front, yeah.
Okay.
And
Now
mhm.
let's solve 100,000. 100,000. That means what? 100 multiplied 1,000, right?
Yeah,
So that will give you one together with
one,
5 zeros.
one lakh. No, you're doing the
Yeah, that is
international
1 lakh.
system. Yeah,
Yeah, that is 1 lakh. So
not
100,000, it
wait.
will be 1 lakh. See here, no? How many zeros are in
No,
1 lakh?
it can be 1,000 also.
No,
No,
Swathi.
no, it can be
Look,
100,000. Oh, you gave 100,000.
yeah, I have written here 100,000. I have
Then
written
how
here
will
what?
it be like?
It is 100,000. So 100,000 means
So, if you,
100
sir,
multiplied 1,000.
one thing, if you give an international system, it comes in Indian system. If you do an Indian system, it gets international system.
Exactly, that is the case. Okay,
Oh,
got it.
yeah.
Okay,
Now it's better
so
at least.
exactly. So now we are talking about convention. Okay, so for convenience, we don't call it 100,000, but we can call it as 1 lakh as per which system? As per the Indian system.
System, yeah.
Okay, but in the international system, we will call this 100,000. We will call this 100,000. But in the Indian system, we will call it 1 lakh. See here, 1 lakh has got how many zeros? One, two, three, four, five.
Five.
Five zeros. Okay, so 100,000 in the Indian numeral system can be called as 1 lakh. Okay, so now let's have 10 lakh. Okay, this was what our 1 with 5 zeros. If we call 10 lakh, we can simply attach one more zero here. Then it will become what? 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Okay, so 10 lakh as per the international numeral system is called a million. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
10 lakh as per the international numeral system is called a million. See here, this is million. How many zeros are here?
6.
6 zeros, right? So 1 lakh has got 5 zeros, one, two, three, four, five, and 10 lakh has
So
got
it will be
6 zeros.
100,000.
Not
So
100,000. 100,000 means 1 lakh. We were talking about lakh and 10 lakh. See this.
okay.
Got
So
it.
yeah.
Okay. Now I need you to make an observation here that you see, as I told you earlier, that 10 lakh in as per international number system will be called a million. 10 lakh we will call it Indian number system. While in the international number system, we will call it 1 million. International number system. Okay. Now let's go back to the table which we were talking about. Okay. So you know that 10 lakh, that is 1 million, has got how many zeros? 6 zeros.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashwathi, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So international number system, in this you will see this million has got how many zeros? Count the number of zeros here.
Sir, can you repeat?
Count the number of zeros here in
Yeah,
this
6.
million.
6.
There's six. Okay. Six. Now let's take a look at this one here, 10 lakhs. This is as per the Indian numeral
Indian
system.
system.
Okay, how many zeros are here?
Sir,
One, two, three,
6.
6 zeros here also. Okay, this 10 lakh and this 1 million and this 1 million, both of them are having 6 zeros. So it's just
Okay.
about nomenclature. Both the values are same, yet we have assigned different nomenclature to them.
Yeah. Only the commas are different, the placing of the commas. Otherwise, the number is the same.
Exactly. Both the numbers are same. Uh, we are just calling them by different names. Okay, both the values are same. Got it.
Yeah.
Likewise, this is valid for other values, other higher values as well. For billion also, the same rule is applied. Okay, okay. Now let's solve few questions. Okay, let's solve few questions. Now, can you see the question?
Yeah.
Okay, solve these questions. Take your time and solve these questions.
Place the commas in the given number as per the Indian number system and then write its number name. Sir, one more thing. If they
Yeah,
don't tell us, just do the uh, put the commas. Put the commas. We just have to put the commas, right?
yeah, you just have to put the commas. But if they told you to write its name also, then you have
Yeah.
to write the
If
name.
they write tell to do both systems, have to do international and Indian system.
Yeah, exactly. Here the
Yeah.
question is about Indian number system.
Yeah. Mistakenly told something. I was thinking something. That's why I by mistake told. Anyways, okay. So in Indian system, then it will be commas will be inserted in between of 7 and 3.
Okay.
And then in between of 6 and 8, and then
Okay.
we have to write 2 6. That's it.
Okay. So what is its name?
Wait, read its number. Okay.
Yeah.
26, 26 lakhs 87,393.
Okay. Very good. Okay. This one is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Move on to second question.
How will the number um okay 2 crore 34 lakh 32,829 be read out according to the international numeral system. I just told it.
Exactly. Just pronounce its name. Okay. Very good. This one is also correct. Okay. This one is true false.
Okay, lakhs and crores are used in the Indian numeral system. Yeah,
Okay. What do you think
true,
of this?
true, true, true.
Yes. True. Very good. Okay.
According to the Indian numeral system, what is the numeral form of the given number name? 8 sorry, 83 lakh 50,700 and 36. After I write the number, after tell the number.
Yeah.
Okay, the commas are all okay. So 8 3 in the Indian system, huh?
Yeah. As for the
Yeah,
Indian numeral system,
8
you have to do.
3. Yeah. So 8 3 comma
Okay.
5 7 comma 0 3 6. Why? Because in hundreds place they never told anything number, so we have to just write that as 0.
Exactly. Exactly. Because you see,
Yeah. They missed that and told
136.
80. 80 means 10, like 10th place, like that.
Exactly. You can refer it to that. Correct
Yeah.
like that.
If we
Okay.
don't do that, that will be the whole answer changes. Like the commas change, the number change, the digit changes.
Okay. So you see, 136. This was 136. Okay. We know that 100, after 100, we have got two digits. So that is obvious. You need to place 0 over here. Okay. Because that place can't be vacant. Okay. It doesn't
Yeah,
say 100
why?
on,
Because if
it
they,
does,
yeah, they didn't tell
it doesn't
anything.
say
So,
136. So you need to, in place of vacant, you need to write 0. Yes, Ashwathi.
can you repeat again? I didn't understand. Like, we just have to write in place because they didn't give any number. You have to write 0. That's it, right?
Exactly, that's it. That's it what I was saying. We
Okay.
can't leave it vacant because the whole number will change. That's why I need to
Yeah.
add 0 here.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So what else is remaining in this chapter? Let's take a look at the NCERT. Okay. So can you see the chapter?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try doing few questions from the first to sixth time.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
1
Take a
lakh.
practice one.
Yeah. First one, right? You're saying. Fill
Yeah.
in the blanks.
Yeah. This
Exercise.
one. This one.
What's one? Yeah, one. Ah, 10 lakhs. In,
Just a minute.
yeah. In that one, we have to just write the numbers, right? The digit. Like how many
Yeah. This
zeros
one
like
we
that.
have to write the,
Yeah.
like you know. That 1 lakh has got how many thousands? Okay,
How
that's
many
fine.
zeros like that? I have to tell you. So 10,000 comes in both places. 1 lakh. 1 lakh house. Can I? I'll just do some.
Okay, take your time. You can do some calculation in rough.
I'll tell you. So there are five zeros in lakhs, right?
Yeah, exactly. There are five
Five
zeros in line.
zeros. Five zeros in lakhs. Then
There are how many zeros? Five
hundred
zeros in line.
thousand. It will be then five zeros. So now we have to write one, zero, zero, comma, zero, zero, zero.
Okay, let me help you with this one. Okay,
Is that
you simply need
correct?
to tell that how many, no, that's not correct. Aswati, you would simply need to tell how many 10,000s are there in 1 lakh. Okay, so let's first find the position of 10,000 in this. We first write 1 lakh. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and lakh. Okay, so where was 10,000? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This one was 10,000, right?
Okay. So then this
Okay.
is 100,000
So,
digit. Oh
so
yeah.
10,000. So 10,000 is having only 4 digits. Okay. And 1 lakh is having one with 5 zeros. This is 10,000. This is 1 lakh. Right, Aswati? This is
Yes.
10,000, right? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is 10,000. But this is 1 lakh. You simply divide both of them. Okay. What will you get? You will get 10. Just do the simple maths. Cut this and cut this. You are left with 10 only. So your answer is that 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Why?
Okay.
Because
You want
10
me to
times
divide the
of,
numbers?
yeah, I was talking about dividing the numbers. Why here you can see that 10 times of 10,000, 10,000 has got how many zeros? Four zeros. So 10 multiplied by 10,000, that gives us one with five zeros. Okay, so that is equal to 1 lakh. Get it or shall I
I
repeat it?
thought I thought you were asking like for 10,000 how what did you how many zeros like that comes you're asking I thought.
Okay, okay, no, no, no. The question says that how many 10,000s are going to be there in 1 lakh? How many 100,000s are going to be in a million? How many 10 lakhs are going to be in 1 crore? That is the question. Got the question, Aswati? What is the question trying to ask?
10,000 will give 1 million, you're saying like that.
Yeah, that we will get to, we will be able to find by simply finding the number of zeros in both the numbers and simply divide them. Like, let's do one more.
I'm getting a little confused in this part here.
Okay, no issue. No issue. Look, let's let's write 1 lakh on one side. Okay. How
It
many
has
zeros are
five
in
zeros.
1 lakh? It has five zeros. Okay. Now on the another hand, write 10,000. Right? 10,000. So how many zeros are in 10,000?
1 minute. Just 5.
Not 5. There are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. If you're
No,
saying
you have
five
4,
zeros, it
4.
will become 1 lakh. There are
4.
4 zeros. Okay.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, comma, that will be ones place. Then tenth place will be 2, 3 zeros.
Ashwathi, listen to what
Say,
I'm saying. Okay.
oh, oh
Ashwathi,
yeah,
just listen to what I'm saying. We have found out the number of zeros in 1 lakh and number of zeros in 10,000. Okay. Just divide the bigger with the smaller value. Lakh is bigger than 10,000. Okay. So just write this 1 lakh over here and divide it by 10,000. That is 1 with 4 zeros. Divide
yeah,
this, and what is your answer? Tell me. Getting it? What I'm saying? I'm saying you to divide lakh by 10,000.
yeah, the smaller
Lakh
digit.
upon 10,000. The smaller digit. Okay. Divide this. And do tell me what's your answer.
So what did you say?
What is your answer upon dividing this? Okay, Sudhir. Have you got the answer?
No, sir.
Okay. Take it out. Okay, let me help you with this.
No?
Will you be able to solve this?
Yeah, I know, I know.
Okay.
I'm almost at the end.
Okay.
You're asking the remainder?
Yeah, remainder.
Remainder will be in Indian system.
No, these are just two numbers, and you simply have to tell the remainder upon dividing these two.
So after telling the Indian system or international system?
No, just tell me your answer, Aswati. Just tell me the
Okay.
number you have got upon dividing these two.
Okay. 100. I got 1 plus 5 zeros.
No, that is wrong. That is wrong, Aswati. Look, what we needed to do here, we simply needed to divide this two. Okay, how do we do that?
Put the division.
Right?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so this 10,000 multiplied by 10 will give you what? This is cancelled. Okay, it was getting divided by 10. So 10 was our answer. Yes, what the
How
remainder
10?
is here 0. Here remainder is nothing. Remainder is 0. We simply
Yeah.
divided these two numbers and our answer is 10. These are the basic rules of division. Let me again tell you what we actually did here. Okay. We simply divided lakh by 10,000.
10,000.
Okay. You know how many digits are in lakh? How many zeros are in 1 lakh? There are five. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And how many zeros are
Yeah,
in
in
10,000?
lakh, yeah.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
4.
So this sign which you are seeing here, this sign which I am bolding, this is the sign of division, right? You're familiar with the sign? 1,000 divided
Which
10,000.
sign?
1 lakh divided 10,000. So here I have simply written it like
So,
this.
which sign are you? Oh, yeah, yeah. That I know. For fractions and all, we use that.
Exactly. And when you will divide this, your answer is going to be 10. Okay. Your answer is going to be 10. That's how you divide it, right? So your answer is 10. So 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Got it?
So, I don't get that.
Uh, Look, what we're doing that, 1 lakh is having five zeros, right? Pay attention here. 1 lakh is having how many zeros? One, two, three,
5.
four, five. Five zeros. Okay. My answer was 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. How? Someone
10.
asked me.
Wait,
Let's
can
say
you repeat? 10?
my answer was 10,000. This 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So my answer was that 1 lakh consists of 10,000s. When you want 10,000 means what? Let's write 10,000 over here. So how many zeros are in 10,000? No, how many zeros are in 10,000? There are four, right? Right, Aswati? 10,000 is having four zeros.
4 zeros.
Okay. So if I say 10,000, that means what? 10 multiply 10,000. If I say 5 10 rupees note, what is the total value? It is 50 rupees.
No.
No,
Okay.
if I say 5 10 rupees note, then it means 50 rupees. So if I say 10,000 rupees, what does we do? We simply multiply 10 with 10,000. Right, Aswati? That is the basic maths. Because the same way, if we say 5 10 rupees, what we do here, we multiply
So you
5
have to
multiply 10.
divide. But in division, we first it'll take 1, right? Then we'll minus 0 and carry over like that, right?
Okay, you can do that. I have directly calculated the answer here. Okay, you can do it like that as well. That is going to take some time, but we can do it like that also. I guess you got confused here that why I divided it at one time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can do it like that also. Okay, like
Just show that.
10,000, we can do it like that also, but that is going to be a lengthy
Sir,
calculation.
can you do that? Why? Because I want to see what I did wrong.
Okay, so if you, we need to cancel it by this number. Okay, we need to cancel it by this number. Okay, just division, how we do that? We simply read out the table or take the value which will help us get the remainder zero. Okay, so if we take it close to 9, if we multiply it by 9, we get what? This 90,000. Okay, so we can do it like that also. But if we multiply it by 10, we will get the exact value, this, which is similar to this. So instead of doing it like that, it's more convenient to simply multiply it by 10 and cancel the number in one go. That will give you the remainder 10.
And I'm not the sir. I'm saying like I did like first I put one on the top and then one minus one equals to zero carry over then zero down like that I did.
So, no, if you will do it like that, this type of question can't be solved like that. Let me show you why. Because if you are saying what?
I was saying like one I put it's one into one gives ones, right? So I put up one and down also to minus.
Okay,
Also I put
okay,
one.
okay. Let's do it like that as well. Let's, okay. What will happen here?
No sir,
It will be cancelled. 10,000
how only you have
multiplied
to put
1.
one, right? You just have to put one. Why you put four zeros?
No, I have taken the whole number. This whole number multiplied 1 gives you this. Then 0.
Oh,
Now how, now
okay.
what is the rule next? You need to put 0 over here, then again 0, then cut. So like this also we are getting answer 10. Okay.
I
So
by
you will
mistakenly
making
thought
mistake.
something else.
Yeah, by
Uh,
mistake, well,
yeah.
instead of division, you got in division you are supposed to get a lesser number, but your answer was coming one with five zeros.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the
Now
mistake you were saying.
understood.
So what I'm saying with that, like one like have got five zeros here. Okay,
Yeah.
our answer was 10. I'm actually verifying you how our answer is correct here.
Yeah. So 10 is actually
Like
correct.
10,000 is one together with four zeros. Okay, so 10,000 means one with four zeros. So 10,000 means 10 multiplied 10,000. That means what? One with five zeros now.
Yeah.
You see, both left and
Yeah.
right hand side, both of them are equal. One like has also got five zeros. 10,000 has also got five zeros, right?
How does 10,000 have five zeros now? It should have only
Because
four zeros, right?
no, no, no. We have multiplied 10 into 10,000. I'm saying 10 multiplied 10,000 will give you 1 with 5
10,000
zeros.
means we have to. Okay, so 10 into 1,000, you got the answer that.
Yeah. 10,000 is having four zeros, that is obvious. But 10,000, see, 10,000 means 10 multiplied by 10,000. That will give you 1 with 5 zeros, that is 1 lakh. That will become more clear once you practice more and more questions.
So
Okay,
if
so
we put 10 into 1,000, it would become the same
look,
10,000.
let's do this. 1,000 is having how many zeros? 1 with
1,000
three
will
zeros.
have,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay. Now, what about 10,000? This 10,000,
four zeros.
it will have four zeros. Now, what about someone says there is 10,000? Then what about this? How many zeros will you write?
10,000 will be six zeros.
No, 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah,
Rupees
this
you're
one,
telling?
10,000. Yeah, in rupees.
Oh,
How many it will be? How much it will be?
it'll be 1,000 rupees then.
No, you're getting it wrong again. Let's suppose I give you 10,000 rupees notes. Okay, let's say I give you, uh, I give you 10,000 rupees. Okay, so that 10,000 rupees you'll have 4 zeros in it. Now I give you 10 notes of yes, Ashwathi.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying that I give you 10 notes of 10,000 rupees. 10 notes of 10,000
Sir, I
rupees.
can't see the screen.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay. So I was saying that if I give you 10 notes of 10,000 rupees, okay. So 10 notes of 10,000 rupees means 10 into this 10,000, right? This is our 10,000. So
10
how many
into
zeros
10.
are going to be there?
Hmm?
So how many zeros are going to be there? It's going to be
Why you
5.
added another zero, sir?
Yeah.
1000 just has 3 zeros, right?
No, 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees means what? 1 with 4 zeros.
Okay. 10,000.
Just pay attention over here. What I have written here. Just pay attention over here. Okay, and it will become very clear. Here, 10 notes of, read this one, what I have written here.
10 notes of 10,000.